Since 1951, Snyder Manufacturing has provided the highest quality laminated fabrics, extruded films, and coated mesh for industry-leading applications nationwide. If you've enjoyed sports, attended a wedding, seen a building under construction, or visited that building once it was completed, you've likely seen our products. We may be from a small town in Ohio, but our trusted process and care for our customers have allowed us to be woven into the everyday fabric of American life. Our strict adherence to compliance and certification standards, like ISO 9001:2015, Mil-Spec, and Berry, always ensures we deliver the finest quality American-made product. Let's follow the thread through our vertically integrated process to see why industry leaders have chosen Snyder Manufacturing for over 75 years. The first step in creating your laminated fabric or coated mesh is producing a high-quality scrim, the knitted polyester fabric that forms the structural backbone of the final product. The knitting process utilizes three key components: weft cylinders, warp beams, and tricot beams, each supplying polyester yarns with distinct roles. The weft yarns run horizontally, the warp yarns run vertically, and the tricot tie yarns complete the stitch that creates the scrim. These combined elements create a stable, flexible knitted polyester scrim. Once produced, the scrim rolls are either sent directly to the coating line to manufacture coated mesh or continue through the lamination process to become laminated fabric. If your application requires a laminated fabric that maximizes strength and durability while still maintaining a soft hand, we begin with a woven scrim as the foundation of the product. This woven polyester fabric serves as the structural reinforcement of the final laminate. The weaving process utilizes two primary components: warp beams and weft cylinders, each supplying polyester yarns with distinct functions. The warp yarns run vertically, while the weft yarns run horizontally, interlacing to form a strong, stable, and flexible woven scrim. Once woven, the scrim is wound on take-up rolls and delivered to the laminator, where it becomes the core structure of the finished laminated fabric. To finalize production of your coated mesh product, raw knitted scrim is dipped into pigmented PVC in the coater. Rolls of scrim are drawn into the coater, where they are saturated with pigmented PVC and infused into the scrim, then passed through a heat drum for curing. Once a master roll of PVC mesh is collected, it is taken to the slitting and breakdown machines, where it receives a quality assurance inspection and is cut to your specified roll size. We offer coated mesh products in standard sizes, weights, and colors, but they can also be customized to your specific needs if you meet a minimum order quantity. Choose any width up to a maximum of 76 inches. For colors, you can pick from our standard library, or our in-house lab will create a custom color match just for you. To produce your laminated fabrics and PVC film sheets, we start with PVC compound that mixes different pigments to create the required color. This compound includes UV stabilizer, biocide, and flame retardant, along with other components to ensure the highest quality for your application. The PVC compound is fed through a single screw conveyor where it is melted on its way to the extruder. As the heated PVC compound exits the die, it is extruded as a continuous film sheet with a predefined width and thickness. The hot PVC sheet runs across a series of coolant rollers before it is collected on the winder at the back of the machine. This film roll may continue to the next step in the process, or it can be packaged as a final PVC film product. PVC film products are offered in standard sizes, weights, and colors, but can also be customized to your specific needs if you meet a minimum order quantity. Choose any width up to a maximum of 72 inches. For colors, we have a standard selection, or our color lab will create a custom color to match your specification. In this final stage of laminated fabric production, we layer either a woven or knitted scrim between layers of extruded PVC film. The laminate is formed through a combination of adhesive, heat, and pressure, bonding the layers into a single durable composite. The material then passes through an embossing roll, where the top PVC layer can be finished with a variety of surface textures. After embossing, the laminated fabric undergoes a thorough inspection, is cut to the specified roll size, and is moved to a large platform scale for final packaging and labeling. Laminated fabric is produced at a standard width, but your application may require fabric of a smaller size. To meet your needs, master rolls can be fed through the slitter, where knives cut the sheet into smaller strips that are rewound into several rolls. The breakdown machine is used to inspect large master rolls for quality and to convert them into your specified length. Once the rolls are broken down, the final products are uniquely labeled to track all aspects of the production process: production date, run number, crew, material batch, and machine, for ultimate traceability and quality assurance. Finally, the rolls are warehoused along with the current inventory of custom and standard products until they are staged for shipping. When our products are used in your next construction project, outdoor event, or sporting arena, it creates one more thread that keeps Snyder woven into the fabric of America. Contact a representative today to see how Snyder Manufacturing can best serve you. 330-343-4456 or sales@snyderman.com.